Oh, we recording. Okay.
Let's get it started. First, I'm putting this under eye serum under my eye from Pixie, my edge control booster. And now, girlfriend, let's hook those brows up with that Ofra brow gel in dark brown, some LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn to sculpt my eyebrows on the bottom. But on the top, I am using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer because it is my skin tone. And I don't like that halo, right? Nor do I like to work really hard to blend it. So if you do your skin tone, you're good. Okay. And so once you scope that out, you want to blend that out. Now, here is where you grab that duo. Okay. I actually let that sit while I do my eyes so that it can get tacky. So I'm putting concealer to neutralize the discoloration on my lid, and I'm setting that with the powder. Going into one of my favorite palettes to contour, another favorite palette to do the brow bone highlight. Whatever color you have, use that. Whatever one you're comfortable with, use that, okay? And now it's mascara time.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Anyway, I forgot to mention this is date night makeup, y'all. Anyway, I have to go get these lashes, okay? So we're going to use the CK Cosmetics mirror. Grab you one, girl. Put your base on your face, all right? And I'm using two correctors, okay? It's really the Fenty, but I'm using the doe foot applicator of the Makeup Forever, okay? Now we're going to add a little oomph to the eyes. Instead of using a liner, I'm going to use a darker shadow on the outer V at the bottom, all right? Just a little bit, okay? Now, everywhere that you went over with the corrector, you're going to do it with your concealer. And now I'm using a banana powder to set under the eyes, but regular powder for the face. And you gotta get that highlight popping. It's two highlighters from Ofra, which I will put in the caption, so make sure you check that out. And I just like to blend it because, listen, the word says let your light so shine. So that's what I'm doing, okay? Set that makeup, and you gotta just put the oil in the hair. At least I do with these crochet braids, and OMG, I felt great. So now we're using some CK Cosmetics lipstick and keeping it real. Some ColourPop gloss, and boom, she ready. Wait. Gotta pop on those glasses. There it is. Oh, and here's that rest of the outfit. Okay. Love y'all. Mean it.